Hello, and welcome to the Oregon Clean Vehicle Rebate Program Dealer Information Session. We appreciate you taking the time to visit this training and for being a part of the Oregon Clean Vehicle Rebate Program. My name is Tanner Allen, and I'll be hosting this training. Here's our agenda for today. We will cover the 2026 program rule changes, all rebate eligibility requirements, your dealership portal, and then review the application process. Now let's jump into a program overview. The Oregon Clean Vehicle Rebate Program, also known as OCVRP, offers rebates to Oregon drivers who purchase or lease an eligible electric vehicle or zero-emission motorcycle. Participating dealers play a key role in the success of this incentive program by providing point-of-sale rebates. The program also offers post-purchase rebates for residents and non-residential entities. This presentation focuses on the point-of-sale dealer rebate applications. OCVRP is administered by the Center for Sustainable Energy in partnership with the Oregon Department of Environmental Quality. OCVRP officially opens August 25th, 2026, and only electric vehicles purchased or leased between August 25th, 2026 and November 4th, 2026 are eligible. All rebate applications must be submitted within 6 months of the date of the lease or purchase. Please keep in mind the program is expected to close within the 2026 calendar year. A reminder of closure will be announced within 30 days of that date. Next, we will be reviewing all of the program rule changes. As a reminder, and solidified in the 2026 program changes, OCVRP rebates are now capped at 2 per lifetime, and dealerships must verify rebate history. To clarify existing rules, the rebate amount cannot exceed the price of the vehicle. The price of the vehicle excludes taxes, other discounts at the dealership, and other fees or charges. For further clarification, please visit the implementation manual. If a used vehicle has been declared a total loss or holds a salvage title, it will be considered ineligible. Applicants for the charge ahead used rebate must attest that this eligibility criteria is met. Applicants of the charge ahead rebate cannot receive a rebate for a used vehicle if they or another member of their household has previously owned it. Additionally, rebated vehicles must be used primarily by household members. Applicants must attest that the vehicle ownership requirements are met. You can find the used vehicle attestation form within the rebate assignment form. Now we will review the standard rebate. OCVRP's standard rebate is open to the eligible Oregon residents and offers a rebate of up to $2,000 for the purchase or lease of a new battery electric vehicle, plug-in hybrid, or zero-emission motorcycle. These are selected from the standard rebate vehicle list. Customers who have received 2 or more OCVRP rebates in the past are not eligible, and dealerships are required to verify the driver's license number through the dealer portal before providing rebates. Standard rebate eligible vehicles have a base MSRP of less than $50,000, and all program participants must own or lease their rebated vehicle for a minimum of 24 months. Battery electric vehicles will receive a maximum incentive of $2,000, and plug-in hybrids will be $1,500. The most common reason a battery electric or plug-in hybrid vehicle are not on the eligible vehicle list is because it does not have a base MSRP of less than $50,000. Next, we will cover the charge ahead rebate. Charge ahead rebate is open to low and moderate income households and nonprofit organizations, as well as low-income service providers. The new Charge Ahead rebate offers $7,500 for battery electric vehicles and $5,000 for plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. The used Charge Ahead rebate offers up to $4,000 for the purchase or lease of an eligible used EV. Customers redeeming a Charge Ahead rebate at the point of sale must provide the dealership with their pre-qualification voucher. The customer obtains a pre-qualification voucher by applying online and providing their qualifying documents, either confirming they met the income thresholds or that they are a part of a public assistance program. Dealerships can utilize the voucher search tool to ensure rebate validity. There's a Charge Ahead vehicle list that outlines the qualifying new and used vehicles that can receive Charge Ahead rebates. Again, new rules require a driver's license verification to confirm the individual has not received more than the allotted 2 rebates in lifetime. As a reminder, the minimum EV range requirements for plug-in hybrid electric vehicles is 10 miles and battery electric vehicles is 75 miles of range. Rebate amounts vary by vehicle type, and your diligence is required. Please see the sliding scale pricing thresholds and utilize the rebate calculator tool available to your store. Before adding rebates to the contract, all customers must be confirmed by checking their driver's license number in the dealer portal. Additionally, Charge Ahead recipients will provide you a pre-qualification voucher for confirmation prior to sale. Once all eligibility checks are complete, the dealership can provide point-of-sale rebates and then submit the point-of-sale rebate application. If a customer wishes to submit their own post-purchase application, the dealership would not provide any OCVRP rebates at the time of sale. The customer cannot apply for a Charge Ahead rebate after their purchase if a standard rebate was already applied to the sale. Next is the dealership overview portion. All dealerships seeking to enroll in OCVRP need to complete the required enrollment form on the website, ensuring each store is enrolled individually. We also require stores provide ACH information and a W-9 form to receive rebate funds. Please email dealer ocvrp@energycenter.org to submit your W-9. If you have already submitted your W-9, please disregard. Your dealership portal can be set up as soon as the primary contact received a unique dealer ID. The first step is to add ACH information and ensure your address is correct. The primary person can also invite up to 2 other users to create employee versions of the dealership dashboard, where they can also submit rebate applications, but they can't change any of the store's details. The primary user dashboard will also show the rebate application history and payment status for the store's lifetime. Next, we will go through an application overview. Prior to completing a sale with a standard rebate applied, dealers must ensure the buyer is eligible to receive rebates by checking their driver's license number in the portal and confirm the vehicle is listed on the standard rebate eligible vehicle list. Because the Charge Ahead rebates have the voucher process, there are a few additional steps to verify before providing the rebate at the time of sale. The customer must have an active granted pre-qualification voucher ID that the dealer should confirm by using the voucher lookup site tool. ensure the name on the voucher is present on all supporting documents, and that the vehicle is on the charge ahead eligible vehicle list. As mentioned, the voucher lookup site is an excellent tool to confirm a pre-qualification voucher status in real time. Please use this tool on the date of sale to confirm the voucher is eligible. A customer cannot receive a point of sale charge ahead rebate if they are not pre-qualified on the date of purchase. They can complete their purchase with no rebate provided and then submit their own post-purchase application. As mentioned previously, the program website has an eligibility verification tool in the dealer portal. This is required for all rebates you process. Begin by clicking New Application and then entering the driver's license number to confirm eligibility. Also available in the dealership portal is the rebate calculator. Use this to calculate the estimated rebate amount for your customer by inputting information such as the vehicle category, rebate type, and vehicle price. As a reminder, vehicle price does not include taxes, dealership discounts, registration fees, documentation fees, and dealer add-ons. The rebate assignment form is required document for all applications. This form tells the buyer they are transferring their rebate claim to the dealership in order to receive it at the point of sale. Charge ahead applicants will provide their voucher for you to verify the voucher ID. All applications will include the purchase agreement, proof of vehicle registration, and proof of residency, which is typically an Oregon driver's license. Individuals who do not have an Oregon driver's license will be required to provide an out-of-state license and an alternate proof like a current utility bill or a rental agreement. The full list of alternate documents is available within the OCVRP implementation manual. Used charge ahead vehicles will require attestation that is located within the first page of the rebate assignment form. This is the point of sale rebate workflow. For the standard rebate, the customer lets the dealer know they want to purchase or lease a new vehicle and apply for the standard rebate. The dealer first verifies the customer's eligibility by checking their driver's license number in the application portal. It's also important to confirm that the customer does not plan to apply for the charge ahead rebate. Once eligibility is confirmed, the dealer applies the rebate directly to the vehicle transaction and submits the OCVRP application through the dealer portal. For the charge ahead rebate, there are a few extra steps. The customer will present their pre-qualification voucher on the date of purchase. The dealership will then verify the voucher status through the OCVRP voucher lookup tool to confirm that the customer is eligible for the charge ahead rebate. The dealer then applies the rebate to the transaction and submits both the application and pre-qualification voucher through the dealer portal. For both rebate types, the application is then reviewed by OCVRP team. Once approved, it's added to the DEQ payment queue, and the status is updated in the dealership portal. Finally, the dealership receives the rebate payment and a confirmation is sent to the primary user email. Now we'll review the dealership resources. Here's a copy of some additional resources that are available on the website. This is a flyer that lives on the website. You can also reach out to the dealership team. They can provide you with a copy as well. We also have a dealership content kit for promotional resources. Oregon DEQ is offering dealerships free, limited time access to Electrify Q, an online course that provides a comprehensive national certification to equip your team with EV knowledge and practical sales strategies. There is a coupon code that will bring the typical $495 dealership access cost to $0 for a limited time. That is going to conclude the OCVRP dealership training for today, and we thank you for your attention.